Want to use YouTube picture-in-picture mode on your Samsung phone so you can watch videos while using other apps? This feature is important because it lets you multitask without missing your favorite videos. Here are 2 ways to turn on YouTube picture-in-picture mode on your phone. Let's get started. Method 1. Using app settings. Open up the settings, then scroll down a little bit. Find out the YouTube app. Now tap on it. Scroll down again. Here is the picture-in-picture mode. Tap on it. Next, toggle on to allow permissions. Method 2. Using home screen app. Go back to the home screen. Slide right or left to find the YouTube app. After that, press and hold on the app. Next, tap on the eye icon. Now scroll down a little bit. Find out the picture-in-picture mode. Now simply turn on the toggle. Method 3. Using taskbar history. Tap on the recent key from your navigation bar. Before that, make sure to open the YouTube app once, and then tap on the YouTube icon. After that, tap on Open in Pop View. Here it is, the PIP mode. Or you can do one more thing to open the PIP mode. To do that, again, tap on the recent key from the navigation bar. Tap on the YouTube icon once again. Now tap on the Open in Split Screen View. Boom! Here opens the PIP mode again. Alright everyone, I hope this video helped you. If you have any questions, just drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching.